Hello everyone. In this video, I want to show how to upgrade to latest Pnetlab version 6.00.103. This version has been patched to support PHP version 7.4. Okay, to upgrade or install Pnetlab version 6.00.103, simply run one of these following commands. You can use either this one, or this one. I will use this one, the latest third one, because these two commands are not working without VPN in my country. Then I will use this command without VPN connection. Okay, let me first connect to my Pnetlab VM. It is installed on ES6R. Open my console. I have already connected by Pnet user. Let's change this user to root simply by sudo sup. I specify my root password. Now I log it in as root user. Then I run this command, copy and paste, and type enter. Keep in mind, this at this moment it supports only Ubuntu version 20, not 2022. It is now downloading the PS version 6.00.103. Okay, let me pause this video and I will come back. Okay, my Pnetlab upgrade has been done successfully. Now I have to reboot. Tap reboot. Okay, now my Pnetlab is up again. Let me log into my web Pnetlab and verify my beta version. Okay, when I'm here, let me verify my version, systems and version. Now my current version is 6.00.103. I hope you have enjoyed this video and thank you for viewing.